KOHO, phone in your hand, plastic in your wallet? Ever walk out the door realizing you forgot your debit card? That sinking feeling as you imagine the entire grocery list going to waste? Or maybe you're new to managing your money and the idea of a physical card feels a little daunting. Well, fear not, financial friends. Today we're diving deep into KOHO, a finance app with a twist, because with KOHO, plastic might be optional. So, what is KOHO exactly? Let's break it down. KOHO is a mobile app that acts as a financial hub. You can think of it like a digital wallet, allowing you to deposit funds, track spending, and even set goals. But the real kicker is how you access your money. Buckle up, because KOHO offers not one, but two ways to spend, a virtual card and, you guessed it, a physical card. Let's talk virtual first. Imagine a card that lives rent-free on your phone. That's the beauty of KOHO's virtual card. It's like magic. You sign up for KOHO, add some funds, and bam! You're ready to shop online or use contactless payments at stores. No waiting for a physical card to arrive in the mail. Plus, virtual cards offer an extra layer of security for online transactions. Since the card number is unique and temporary, even if there's a data breach, your main account remains protected. Pretty cool, right? But maybe you're a traditionalist, you crave the satisfying beep of a physical card swipe. No problem. KOHO offers the option to order a sleek physical card that works just like a regular debit card. It taps, it swipes, it gets you that morning latte, all connected to your KOHO account. The best part? You can choose to have both the virtual and physical card active, giving you ultimate flexibility in how you manage your money. Here's the real question, should you get the physical card? Well, that depends on your lifestyle. If you're a digital whiz who lives on your phone, the virtual card might be all you need. But if you frequent stores that haven't quite embraced the contactless wave, or if peace of mind comes with having a physical card in your wallet, then by all means, order one. KOHO doesn't stop at just spending, though. The app boasts a suite of features designed to help you manage your finances effectively. You can set up automatic savings goals, categorize your spending, and even get rewarded with cash back on purchases. It's like having your own personal financial cheerleader right there in your pocket. So, is KOHO the right fit for you? If you're looking for a modern approach to managing your money, with the option for both virtual and physical spending, then KOHO is definitely worth checking out. The virtual card gives you instant access and security, while the physical card provides traditional convenience. Ultimately, the choice is yours. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.